If you're having trouble uninstalling an app from your Android device, this video will show you how to remove Android apps that won't uninstall. So let's get started. First, you can go ahead and disable unwanted application that you don't want to uninstall or you can't uninstall. To do this, you need to go ahead, tap and hold on to any application that you want to uninstall. Then tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. From this page, tap on Force Stop this application from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on OK to confirm, or scroll all the way down and there you might see the option of Disable. Go ahead and tap on Disable. Another way to remove stubborn Android apps is through the Google Play Store. So go ahead, open your Google Play Store on your device, click on the search bar, and then type in the name of the application that you are trying to uninstall. Then tap on the uninstall button over here and tap on uninstall again to confirm, and it will be instantly uninstalled from your device. And the app will be completely removed from your device as well. So these are the two ways to remove Android apps that won't uninstall. For more helpful tips and tutorials, you can go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.